Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Allow your eyes to close gently and bring your attention inward. Let this be a time just for you. A few moments to pause and breathe. Let's begin with the breath. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Feel your body begin to soften. With each breath, let go of tension. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, your hands relax. Your full body is completely relaxed. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice where you may be holding stress. Without judgment, just breathe into those areas. With every exhale, imagine tension leaving your body with a soft wave pulling away from the shore. If thoughts arise, that's okay. Gently acknowledge them. Then let them float by like clouds drifting across a quiet sky. You don't need to hold on to anything. Just come back to your breath. Now silently repeat these phrases to yourself. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. With each breath, I find calm. Peace flows through me with ease. Feel the warmth of those words fill your chest. Let them anchor you in the present. Take one more deep breath in and a slow cleansing breath out. When you feel ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if that feels good. And slowly open your eyes. You have just given yourself a gift. 5 minutes of peace. Carry this calm with you as you move through your day. Thank you.